Welcome back guys. In this tutorial, we will see about the Hero Widget, and why we need it. Before going into the video, make sure you have subscribed to our channel. First let me remove this debug tag. First let me show you, why we need a Hero Widget. For this, let me have a container which displays images when clicked. Okay, now we got the image, let me give some padding to have space around it. Now, it looks perfect. When this container is clicked, it should move to another page to display the images. For this let me wrap the container, with gesture detector widget. It should have an on-tap function, to navigate between pages. Before this let me have another page. Let me name it as second. This time, let me use named routing between pages. Declare routes within the main function. Give any name within single quote, so when this name is called its context should return the respective page. When the name second is used, this returns the particular page. This is called named routing. Next, within the onTap function, let me use navigator.pushNamed and declare the route as second, so on tapping, this navigates to the second page. So everything is okay with the home page. Next let me construct the second one. This is the second page. Let me have an up bar here, to go back. Okay, everything is perfect. When navigating between pages, you can see some page movement as push and pop. We can eliminate this effect, using the Hero Widget. Let me wrap the whole body with the Hero Widget. Use the Hero Widget, for which you need a good transition movement. This Hero Widget takes a tag name. You can use any name within the tag. Here let me have the tag as Coder Garage. Let me also use transition on user gesture, which gives added animation on movement. Let me copy this. When you are using Hero Widget between images, make sure you use the same tag for both the images. Now when I click this image, you can see a smooth movement between pages. As width of the container is not declared, there is some space issues. Let me replace the container with card. Now, we got the card. Carefully note the transition while the movement between pages. Next, let's see how the Hero Widget works when we display multiple images. Let me just replicate the image within a column widget. I have used single child scroll view for listing. Now let's see the transition of Hero Widget. Hero Widget gives a better transition while navigating between pages. Hope you learned something from this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Hit like and subscribe to our channel for more Flutter videos.